View Management or SketchUp Scene. Click on this icon to open View Management. In this we have two options: Favorites and Scenes in SketchUp. When we diligently work on a scene, we can add to favorites. And we look in this balcony. We have different lighting, from lighting in the night scene. Natural light is not available, and it illuminates with artificial light. Artificial light is also strong. In the balcony, natural light is strong, and artificial light is not very strong, because we use two presets. The first is the visual preset. The second preset is light management or light preset. We come into the sunset and we click on this option, Edit. Or when we create a new view, it will open to the same tab. The top part is its name, and we see this heart is a favorite. We use Sunset preset, so its information, its settings. In Visual preset comes with Sunset option. Same with Light preset. Its default is no link, use default CAD lights. We go in there and select night or balcony, which represents the name for the light preset. The light preset is going to be like this, because in the balcony preset, artificial light has very low intensity. So in this scene, artificial light is not so bright, but if we link with night light, its light is brighter. And we see the option here. When we click means, we remove the preset, we unlink preset. So it goes back to the default preset. And light preset we can edit by clicking on that option. This will open the tool Light Management again. As for the camera, generally, we do not touch it, because our navigation is based on SketchUp or Enscape Direct. When we move, we see its option updated. So basically we navigate and we create a scene. So all these parameters, we do nothing much. But in some cases we can look at it and update value according to the actual conditions. The main thing is below the sun position. When we use the Enscape sun, Enscape will follow SketchUp sun. When we enable this option, that means we override SketchUp sun. We create a sun in the Enscape. When we move position, the sun is effect in a scene. The lower the sun, the color become warmer. Option Sunset. Click Save as to store its information based on what we have selected. Add to favorite, in case we diligently back into a scene. If not necessary, we can use the scene as a general SketchUp.